Alright guys, Georgia Jim, got an American lock here. We're going to pick this for Mr. Paradise's 1100 Club 500 subscriber giveaway. This isn't 1100 since it's all brass, but it's got a restricted keyway, and that's all I got. I've given all my 1100s away, so... Alright, got our faucet. Yeah, it's a faucet. And we lost. Let's see. There we go. And there's the bidding on the keys. And another look at that keyway. Alright guys, again, congrats to Mr. Paradise on the 500 subs. That's a great milestone and you deserve it. And wishing you all the best. Alright, you guys have a good one.